Ladies and gentlemen, one more day, one more life. One more day, one more life. So, while I am running and sweating, taking a bath from my own sweat, and then having a shower, finally at the home, be drenched in, drenched in sweat. Your own sweat, no other person's sweat. So what I'm trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, today, very important, but thought I wanted to share with you. The thought is that why in India, the Hindus especially, and the Kashmiri Pandits also, because I am a Kashmiri Pandit, Sanjay Kher, as you all know. So why Hindus on earth, they just say Namaskar. They don't touch hands. They don't, just skin touch is to the minimum. Skin touch is only to your own family, kith and kin. Otherwise, the external other people, skin touch is not there. So ladies and gentlemen, only saying Namaskar. That's what the Corona has also finally taught us. And even the great, very powerful leaders of the world, be it Biden, be it Kamala Harris, or be it Trudeau, Canada chief, and the France chief, Macron. All these people, ladies and gentlemen, they now say Namaskar because of the Corona pandemic. So the thought that I was just telling you, it is validated. Namaskar is validated. So let's go dig deeper slightly and just try to find an answer. This fat boy also, trying to just trim down, because cholesterol is the den of diseases. It is the home of all diseases and menaces in the body. So coming back to our topic, why on earth Hindus and Kashmiri Pandits, who are also Hindus, they just say Namaskar only, which has been validated by the COVID-19 pandemic. The reason is that, understand this, only 2% of the body weight is brain. 2% of the, very important, only 2% of the body weight is brain weight, is this weight. But it eats 20% of your food. 20% of the energy is consumed by the brain only. But you may be thinking that the memory and the, when you touch somebody, it is recognized only by the brain only. Forget about it. There are 37 trillion cells in the body, and especially the skin cells, billions and billions of skin cells. They also have memory, they also have brain, they also have the thoughts, though they cannot express it. They can express it only through the brain. But what I am trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, in short, these all cells have the memory. So if you get closer, touch people, and shake hands, what not, there is Runanabandha. Runanabandha means that you get the memory of the person. It enters you, and then it leaves a lasting impression on your brain, and then it attracts you to that person, maybe he or she. That's a different matter. ladies and gentlemen. But what I was trying to tell you, that the more you rub your body, I don't want to get into unparliamentary language, that you can just take the what I mean to imply from it. So the more you rub the body, your body parts, your body with the external people, the more is the Runana Bandha. Runana Bandha means the more is the memory which is grasped, which is taken, which is captured by the cells of the skin body. So just say namaskar only, and keep smiling and happy. Keep smiling and happy. Say namaskar. I just want to catch one of my friends who has been running with me on daily basis. So he is a young man. So having a big smile with the young man. Sir, namaskar. नमस्कार, जय श्री राम. आपका शुभ नाम? संजय पराशर. मैं भी संजय खेर हूँ. मजा आ गया. संजय वाचे जिसने दो डबल इंजन. मैं ये कह रहा था अभी कि भाई कितना बढ़िया है कि भाई कि हमारे जो पूर्वजों ने हमको सिखाया, भाई नमस्कार सिर्फ कर लो, सिर्फ नमस्कार कर लो, हाथ दूर रख लो. और वही कोरोना ने भी हमको सिखाया, कोविड-19 ने भी सिखाया, भैया नमस्कार कर लो, हाथ मत मिला लो. क्योंकि हाथ मिलाने से क्या होगा कि जो हमारी सेल्स है, स्किन की सेल्स नहीं टच करके, और वो हमारा पंगा करेंगे. फिर गलत आदमी से आपने हाथ मिला लिया तो उसकी एनर्जी, उसकी वाइब्स हमारे में आ गई. सर मैं ये सही कह रहा था.
बिल्कुल.
ये दिस इज अ ग्रेट थॉट. So namaskar is very important. Ladies and gentlemen, while I'm just running with Sanjay Parashar, Sanjay Kher is running together in rhythm. I say, ye gasna ath gasna milao. Unknown nafras. Panan nafran. Sweetie, family matasan. Timai sid gasa ath melun. Timai sid gasa nal mut khan. Kya agar kisi galat nafras. At Milo, Patrojus, tension, Roses, honey, body seldom much. Thank you. God bless you. ये मैंने कश्मीर में भी बोला थोड़ा सा.